How to make greeting cards in Canva. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can create greeting cards in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. First step, open up your Canva. After you open up your Canva, make sure you're logged in into your account. After you do that, you can then search for templates here, search for greeting cards, then hit enter. So you can be specific about what type of card you want in greeting. You can, if you want birthday cards, you can use that. If you want congratulations card, you can do that as well. Then finally find a card that you like. So let's say it's for Christmas. So you can choose one from here, whichever you fit, whichever fits your description. Select that. And then finally, you can find more designs like that at the bottom as well. Then simply tap and customize this template. Then it will redirect you to another web page. Now what you'll have to do here is edit. You can make edits to this card. You can select an option here if you want this to be bigger. You can change the size. Let me just make this bigger and bigger. And you can change everything. If you want to add text, you can select the text option here. Tap and add text box. Then you can simply bring it over here by dragging it. So you can write your name. Then after you do that, you can move it to here and you can choose different fonts as well from here. So select what you want. So let's say I want this. So I can simply fix the alignment here. Then if you want, you can add the text right here as well. Then after you're done with the text and everything, you can then download this. Tap on the share button. Tap on download. Then you can choose if you want it as a PDF or an image. Then tap on download. Then you can share it to your friends. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.